Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, that is expert system. So what is an expert system? Yeah, I got it. An expert system contains knowledge about a particular field to assist human expert or provide information to people who do not have access to an expert in the particular field. In other words, we can say a system that uses human expertise to make complicated decisions, simulates reasoning by applying knowledge and interfaces. Now we will see building blocks of expert system. That is knowledge base, inference engine, user interface. We will see one by one further. And also we will get the idea about what will happen between these components. Knowledge base represents all the data and information imputed by expert in the field and also stores the data as a set of rules that the system must follow to make decisions. An inference engine tries to derive answer from a knowledge base. It is the brain of the expert systems that provides a methodology for reasoning about the information in the knowledge base and for formulating conclusions. An expert system is useless if the intended user cannot communicate with it. The component of the expert system that communicates with the user is known as the user interface. Who is involved to make an expert system? First is knowledge engineer. A knowledge engineer is an artificial intelligence specialist, perhaps a computer scientist or a programmer who is skilled in the art of developing expert systems. Second is domain expert. A domain expert is an individual who has significant expertise in the domain of the expert system being developed. It is not necessary that the domain expert understand the artificial intelligence or expert systems. For developing expert systems, first of all, the knowledge engineer and domain expert work together closely to describe the problem that the expert system is intended to solve. The description may be revised several times before both of them are satisfied with it. It is also important to identify the resources. For example, who is to participate in the development process? Does a single domain expert possess all necessary expertise, or is the domain knowledge distributed over several people in an organization? People are not only the resources that must be identified. The form of knowledge representation is sticky for the kind of knowledge needed for the task, and the expert might decide the pieces of knowledge are wrong. All these are discovered and modified as the expert system gradually gains competence. Some outstanding expert systems: Dendral analyze mass spectra, Deep Meter Advisor analysis of data gathered during oil exploration, where mycin tells about diagnose infectious blood disease and recommend antibiotics.
Created using Powtoon.